Hey gang, Poppy here. I'm in the computer room, and the FedEx man just brought me a package, which is nice because it's my birthday, June 7th, 2024, and I'm going to unbox it. The first thing. This is something I bought for me with my allowance, but hey, birthday present from me to me. Uh, that was the FedEx guy who ran. The mail hasn't come yet, so there's still a chance for more loot to arrive. Ah, ah. If there's another box in here, I'm going to call Vladimir and complain. You seen those Russian dolls? They go all the way down to a little itty bitty one. Like I said, if there's another box in here, ah! Oh, get this out of the way. I don't want anyone to think about them. No, I don't. Okay, so here it is. This is the cooling system for my variable speed wet bandsaw. Yeah, yeah. Um, I wanted to get this from Micromark, but but 20, almost 30 years of doing business with them, they decided. Let me turn this just a little bit. There we go. That's much better. They decided they don't want my money enough to have an 800 order line. And when I went to their website, it refused my payment 3 fucking times in a row. So you saw my video that's titled Boycott Micromark. I got this from someone else for less money. Free shipping. Okay. There's your reservoir with a really nice valve. Oh, I like that valve. And we got 1, 2, 3 pieces of vinyl tube. Uh, I would say one go here, and the end of this goes to the bandsaw. To the bandsaw. Right at where the blade guides is. This would probably go from under the table oh, another piece of tubing to the catch pan. Nice. Heavy steel. I believe it's powder coated. And you see the drain. Rubber gasket. So that your bandsaw doesn't flood the whole shop. Bandsaw sits in the catch pan. bottle attaches to the top of the bandsaw, near the top of the upper wheel, and this goes, like I said, into the blade guide. That's probably drained from there. This is from this tube, long tube here, I believe, is for draining the catch pan to some kind of pan or out the door, or, you know. And we got some hardware. Ugh. We love hardware, don't we? I just gonna open this with this and take a look, see what I got. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Hey, screw, another screw, two more hose barbs. Ah! See that? See the hose barb? This goes inside the bandsaw, just under the table. This is the new lower blade guide. Hey gang, Poppy here. As you know, if you watched the last two videos, it's June 7th. My birthday! Hey! And two of the things I bought for me have arrived. I showed you the cooling system for my variable speed wet bandsaw. That came FedEx, and this came in the mail. Look at all them stamps, man. You want to know what was in there? This. And in there was this piece of foam. I believe that's packing. You know, padding. Nice little bag, and it's got the grits of the diamond compounds in these. Ah! 5-gram syringes. There's a whole bunch of them. Let me put them in the bag. It's sort of neat, you guys. There. Now, true, the grits in this only go up to 3,000, and they start at 400. But the 125 and the 325, I got plenty of them. And about 14 and 50,000 and 100,000, I got plenty of them. Yeah. So I got plenty. I'll have to make a new lap for the 500 because I never had a 500 lap. And there are a couple others in here. I've got the door skin. It's the leather. The leather for the laps. That's the problem. I'll just have to work on that for those extra grits, those new grits. Anyway, tomorrow it's out in the shop, and the as promised breaking in video will commence. Good night from California.